We've got a rose here, so all I'm going to do with this flower is just to try and tear some of the petals off. So if you look, you should be able to see, let me get rid of that bit for you there. So we've got here these little anthers on the filaments which together form the stamen. That's these big bits here. This is where the pollen forms. Those of you who get hay fever, this is something that you could be allergic to. The pollen that's in these. Right in the middle there you can see this strange looking object here. This is the equivalent for a rose of the carpel. So this is the style, and at the top is the stigma. That's where a bee, when it comes in here, is going to drop off pollen. The pollen will actually then go down inside here, and hopefully it will go into some eggs which are inside the bottom down here in the ovary. If you've ever seen a rose, once it's been fertilised and once the bees have been on it, they start to grow a bright red fruit called a hip. And that's what's left of the bottom here, the ovary. That's where the seeds are, and that's where the baby plants will form. Buttercups are really good ones to dissect. A wild rose could be. And as I say, one of the best ones are lilies and tulips. They're really good as well. Thank you very much.